Matt is the site manager for the Evergreen Gold Mine, where cyanide solution is pumped through 2 miles of pipes as a part of the gold extraction process. Even though Matt has put in place industry standards to prevent leaks, like any concerned site manager, he sometimes lays awake at night, wondering if tonight will be the night one of those pipes finally starts to leak. By the time he finds out about it the next day, it'll already be too late to prevent environmental damage and impact his company's reputation. That's why Matt installed an IntelliView DCAM leak detection system. Now, if anything goes wrong, he and his team will know right away in real time. IntelliView makes use of a dual-camera analytic module, or DCAM, to provide 24/7 monitoring and alerts at Matt's site. DCAM is industrial grade, housing a ruggedized computer with analytics, thermal and color video cameras for monitoring, with a wireless option for communication. Now, if anything goes wrong, his team knows immediately. The system alerts an operator with a picture and a short video clip within seconds of when a fluid leak has been detected. DCAM can be configured to send notifications to others and also allows authorized personnel to view live video. An authorized personnel can view event recordings or view live video using IntelliView's web dashboard. Communication from the DCAM can occur via cell network, wired, or wireless LAN. The system is already in use by major pipeline operators to detect oil leaks. And it's not just about oil or cyanide leaks. It can be used in refineries, truck pumping stations, and marine sites. Anywhere a leak or spill from a hazardous fluid impacts worker or environmental health, production uptime, and company reputation. Constant monitoring 24/7. That's why tonight, Matt's sleeping peacefully. IntelliView, we turn video into knowledge.